A peak union body claims the Premier has gone back on his word and admitted frontline services will be affected as the state government cuts jobs in the public sector. The ABC understands department heads have already begun informing employees they should start thinking about redundancies, redeployment and cutbacks.
Last month, the Premier and Treasurer announced cutbacks to the public service in an effort to balance the state budget. It includes 1,000 voluntary redundancies and, with changes to legislation, up to 200 sackings. Mr Barnett has always claimed the cutbacks would have little impact on frontline services, but in a meeting with the Community and Public Sector Union on Tuesday, that changed.
We were surprised to hear Colin Barnett admit to us that frontline services would be affected by the current cutbacks in the WA public sector.
The CPSU says Mr Barnett mentioned education and health, but they say the scope of redundancies and cutbacks will be even broader.
We're going to see a lot of people leave the public sector very, very quickly, and in a situation where our state's population is growing exponentially, that's going to cause a lot of and it's going to be very hard to deliver essential services to the community.
Sources within the health service have told the ABC staff are already being warned of what's to come. They say clinical services are being targeted and patient care will suffer.
In an email circulated to staff within a major metropolitan health service, they were told costs would be reduced by non-renewal of contracts, non-replacement of staff who leave, and attrition of part-time positions.
The email also revealed the drive is to reduce costs and increase activity. This is apparently across the board for all disciplines, including medical and nursing. We have been advised the review would roll out to all other metro health services.
Health is already under enormous pressure. We see enormous ambulance ramping at our hospitals. Any further cuts will see worse outcomes for Western Australia.
It comes after revelations up to 65 staff within the Department of Commerce were told to reconsider their employment options. The opposition has accused the Premier of deception.
Mr Barnett has hidden the truth from the public. Previously he said frontline services wouldn't be affected, and now today it appears that frontline services will be cut.
The Premier is on leave, but a spokesman from his office confirmed his comments and said it'll be up to CEOs of departments to minimise the impact on frontline services. Layla Tusak, ABC News.